Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to swipe on Bumble using your phone. Swiping is the main way to like or pass on profiles and find matches. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on People. This opens the main profile feed where you can see people nearby. Swipe right if you like someone or swipe like if you want to pass. Swipe up for more. Super swipe to show extra interest. This may cost a boost or premium token. If you don't want to swipe, you can also tap the heart icon to like or the X icon to pass. This works the same as swiping. If both people swipe right, it's a match. Matches appear in your chat section where you can start a conversation. Take your time to read profiles before swiping. Don't swipe too fast, you might miss something interesting. Use Bumble Boost or Premium to see who already like you, which can save time. And that's it. Now you know how to swipe a Bumble using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.